Alright guys, well I got the tailstock base done. It's a square here, this side, so this side is gonna mount on the table and this side is gonna sit on the tailstock itself, like that. And the slot that I got here on the tailstock itself, they're supposed to slide here depending on your fixture plate. If you're higher or lower, you can adjust that. Or if there's no fixture plate on it, you can still sit flat between the head and the tailstock. They have the same height from the center to the bottom of the tailstock itself. But the only problem I got is, I could buy some of the T-slot nuts and just use my half-inch bolts by 13, and they will slide on these holes and sit over there on the table, so I can tighten this down. But I run out of them. I could buy a kit on, pick it up somewhere online, but I wanted to go ahead and build me some nuts, T-slot nut. So I built this bracket the other day. If you remember, this is how I hold my biceps against the table. So I didn't want to use a washer. I kept, trying to find a washer that I would torque it down and wouldn't work or whatever. So I built this out of, 4140 or whatever, steel. And so what I did, I just changed the diameter on it and built me some nuts. These are some T-slot nuts. We'll sit like that. We'll slide on the table. And there we go. That way we can just hold that piece down. They're right at the diameter on the slot on the table. I believe it's 1 and 11/16. No, I'm sorry, 11/16, which is about 17.5 millimeters or whatever. So I built this one already. I'm gonna record, how I made another one, and I'm just gonna put you over there to the machine and let you see it through the cycle star. I already set my tools and I set my my piece of stock over there. So hopefully you can see through this window what's going on in there. So first I'm gonna contour and bring it down a little bit, because it's 1 and 3/4, that's what this piece is. It's kind of big to slide it on the slot and on the table. So I'm gonna go down to 1 and 5/8, and that will give me a little bit of clearance to slide on the slot. So let me call the program. Load it. Like I said, I'm just gonna contour this. That's it. That's, I guess you would call that operation number 1. I'm just taking a little bit on the outside of this, pretty much. So I'm gonna set it back over here. I hope you don't make fun of my my stop on my vise. Oh, I went far. I'll pick another one. And then we're gonna call the next program, which is the knot itself. So we're gonna be contouring. We're gonna face in. That's 1.25 inch, 1.75 with a 2-inch face mill, 100% cut, 20,000 zip. There you go, guys. Some T-slot nuts, and that's what we're gonna sit under the tailstock. Just gonna deburr a little bit here, and a little bit of thread milling. Just perfect. Alright, guys. Well, I see you then. I hope you enjoy this, and I hope I'll see you next time. I gotta make 3 more of these, and I might make some more later in the future if I need them. Thank you, guys.